Benvenuto a 300%. I'm Dana with Wine Indulgence, and we're here at the beautiful Castle San Salvador in Susegana in the heart of Prosecco. Today's events are hosted by Ice Veneto, who represent 100 producers in the area of Veneto with 300 different wines. Perfect day for a perfect wine tasting.
L'élite del mondo del vino veneto si riunisce una volta all'anno tra le magiche atmosfere del castello di San Salvatore a Susegana per dare vita a Il Veneto al 300%. La manifestazione, organizzata dall'Ice Veneto, presenta i migliori 300 vini e 100 aziende vinicole tra le più prestigiose del territorio. L'apertura dell'evento è affidata al tema dell'ambiente con il convegno L'ambiente nel bicchiere. Ascoltiamo l'opinione dei relatori.
We have with us the president of Ice Veneto, Dino Marchi. We would like to understand better the focus of the day, the environment and the wine. Tell us about today's meetings.
Abbiamo notato innanzitutto che anche se di un argomento...
Given the short amount of time, we needed to really discuss a vast subject. I think that we had a positive response with the public, and we've learned a lot regarding diverse matters of the environment. I would like also to discuss the other important factor of the day, the significance of the sommelier, and what we need to do to make ourselves better. It is important to discuss this figure with the wine producers and at the same time understand the importance of using him to teach others about different winemakers and about the use of wine products like glass and cork and their importance to the consumer.
La natura e l'ambiente sono temi cari ai professionisti della degustazione.
A me interessa il fatto stesso che si
I am interested in showing the public the completeness of the sommelier, the expertise of the profession. Before, the role of the sommelier was mainly to pour wine. Now it is important also to educate the people and explain the diverse ideas regarding wine and the materials needed in its production. Today, it is also important to explain how these materials, like glass, can be recycled and be used in a positive manner with the environment.
Importante sia il vetro nel suo riciclo.
Ci sono aziende leader dell'ecosostenibilità in grado di riciclare il 100% del materiale utilizzato. Una di queste è l'Amorim Cork, un grande risultato, illustrato dal suo amministratore delegato.
We are here with Carlos Santos of Amorim Cork. What importance does the cork hold in winemaking?
L'importanza è enorme. Il legame
The importance is huge. The bind between cork and wine is a bind that has existed for centuries. Cork is not only the closure of tradition, but also the closure of modernity. It represents the connection between man and nature. The industry of cork is 100% green, and when used together with naturally made wine and placed in another reusable material like glass, we have together three elements which are completely natural: cork, glass, and wine.
Il gruppo Amorim Cork produce il 25% del mercato mondiale dei tappi di sughero.
L'ambiente è una preoccupazione che nella nostra genesi industriale.
The environment is something we need to look at often in our firm. The cork forest is a cultural heritage in Europe and in Africa, and it is the source of our product. The manner in which we produce our products respects the environment as well. It is a work that respects the bind between nature, man, and industry.
Alois Lageder è un'azienda esemplare in materia ambientale. Ce ne parla il titolare.
Alois Lageder, biodynamic winemaker. What is the impact of organic wine on the environment?
Credo che la biodinamica sia proprio uno di quei metodi.
I think that biodynamic winemaking is one of the methods that respects nature the most, because the base concept of biodynamic winemaking is bringing a balance to nature, a balance between nature, animal and plant that all work together in making a product without disease or defects or chemicals, a final natural product. Biodynamic winemaking teaches how to properly grow the grapes. For example, when there is a high quantity of bunches on the vine, or when one uses chemicals or other unnatural products to create a large quantity of wine, there is an imbalance, and the result is a wine of low quality. From Prosecco to Soave, Valpolicella and Ricciotto, we've got a wide range of wines here in the Veneto, from sparkling to whites, reds, and even dessert wines. It's a great taste for everyone.
Le aziende presenti al 300% sono state scelte dopo numerose degustazioni effettuate nel corso dell'anno dai sommelier, il cui ruolo è in piena evoluzione. Ascoltiamo a tal proposito il presidente AIS nazionale.
We are here with the president of AIS, Antonello Maietta. Which role does the sommelier have in today's society?
Il sommelier oggi, a mio avviso, si è un po' levato di dosso questo ruolo.
The sommelier today is not just someone found in restaurants, hotels, or wine bars. Today, the sommelier is a communicator in all senses. He's a person that doesn't just speak about wine, but everything that goes with it, gastronomy and even distilled wines.
Del comparto enogastronomico, compresi anche i distillati.
You spoke earlier about education.
Per arrivare a comunicare, evidentemente, occorre un background di conoscenza.
To talk or educate, you need to have a background in that sector. So a sommelier needs to study and always look to learn more about their field. The public is waiting for someone to explain to them wine and the world around it. Now more than ever, wine needs to be explained with simplicity, because wine needs to be understood by everyone.
Ad essere un elemento semplice e facilmente fruibile dai consumatori.
Another important project that we're working on today is to find the best sommelier Veneto and the best professional sommelier Veneto. Let's go find out who the winner is.
Spazio ai sommelier dunque, ed ecco il concorso Miglior Sommelier Veneto realizzato in collaborazione con Uvive e Amorim Cork Italia per professionisti e non giungere alla quinta edizione. I primi hanno sostenuto prove dure, quali l'analisi sensoriale, la decantazione, la correzione di carta dei vini e l'abbinamento cibo-vino.
Here we are with Ottavio Vendito, Best Professional Sommelier of the Veneto. What are your first emotions?
La prima cosa che ho fatto è il pianto, perché non me l'aspettavo.
The first thing I did was cry, because I really didn't expect to win. It was a tough competition with a lot of great competitors. It was a beautiful emotion. I really didn't expect that.
How was the competition? Difficult? Easy?
Well, compared with last year, it was more articulated and elaborate. Other than that, it was a great experience. We had a chance to get to know each other and share the experience.
Where did you win a trip to?
Portugal, which is a great place to visit, deeply involved in the wine world. It's a double win.
Doppia felicità, ecco.
In bocca al lupo, Ottavio.
Crepi, grazie mille, arrivederci.
Now we are with Paolo Pivato, Best Sommelier in the Veneto region. What are your first impressions?
No, è una grande soddisfazione che paga di...
It's a great satisfaction after all the sacrifice made to study for this prize. I think that it is also satisfying for the association, and in fact, I want to thank all of the Venice ICE Association that helped me arrive at this point. especially Graziano Simonella, who, with the preparation school, stimulated me and gave me input on how to achieve my goal.
Da parte mia veramente grande soddisfazione.
A rendere l'evento succulento ci hanno pensato i prodotti gastronomici trevigiani e veneti ed alcune degustazioni guidate. Chi è il sommelier oggi? Ce lo spiega Dino Marchi.
How important is the knowledge of wine for a sommelier?
Beh, ormai è vero che anche attraverso le parole che abbiamo espresso oggi,
It is true, after everything we spoke about today, that the figure of the sommelier is changing with time.
sviluppare la tematica
He doesn't have to just think about the smells and tastes of a wine, but he must give a personality to the wine.
carattere, deve darsi una personalità.
He must explain how the wine is completed and make the public understand the meaning and the process behind a wine, not just the typical aromas and tastes. We must transmit all that we know about a wine, the territory, and even the producers to the client.
Chiaramente non fanno altro che chiudere questo ciclo di informazione anche al nostro cliente.
Two words about this beautiful area known as the Veneto.
Il Veneto è una regione che va seguita. Del resto,
The Veneto is a region that is sought after.
che per noi diventa
In events like this one, many people are attracted to the idea of finding something new and different.
per chiaramente i nostri soci, ma deve essere una
It becomes a point of interest, not just for our sommelier, but for producers and everyone else involved in wine. "100 producers with 300 wines" is a selection that is more expert and brings important knowledge of wine from great producers to the public. The Veneto is a first-rate wine region. This event is a window for a producer, and it is important that they are part of it.
partecipare, in ogni caso anche poter esserci. Questa è la nostra ambizione.
La manifestazione ha potuto illuminare le caratteristiche delle tante aziende presenti nel territorio, trasformando il loro lavoro in cultura da servire al pubblico nelle giuste dosi e con le corrette modalità.